Alright, no, y'all. The first day of muzzleloader. I shot one right here. And just a blood. No. It's blood. He went down that way. Down there. Not dead yet. But I'm gonna wait right here. I think it's a spike.